What do you need to know when considering waterline replacement for your Lafayette, California home? Lucky for you, we have all the answers for what you need to consider and how to prepare. The most important thing to remember is this: waterline replacement in the East Bay area is not a DIY task. Only professionals should handle your home waterline replacement to ensure you have reliable water in your home. It is essential to know what types of signs point to needing your waterline replaced. These signs include low water pressure throughout several home fixtures, numerous pipe leaks, and discolored water, often described as rust-colored. These types of pipes that are in your home can be a contributing factor to waterline replacement as well. You don't need to prepare for a professional to come to your Lafayette, California home to replace your waterline. However, remember that your water will be temporarily turned off during replacement to avoid a huge mess. If your Lafayette, California home requires water replacement, Avalon is here to handle it for you, and we are only a phone call away. 510-399-8744.